Welcome to another episode of Decor Zone, your go-to destination for furniture design inspirations. Making small and medium woodworking projects for profit offers an array of advantages that make it an appealing endeavor for both novice and seasoned artisans. The world of woodworking is rich with opportunities, and focusing on smaller-scale projects can yield significant financial rewards while also fostering creativity, skill development, and personal fulfillment. Whether for side income or as a full-time venture, the benefits of producing small to medium wood items are numerous and compelling. One of the most prominent advantages of small and medium woodworking projects is their accessibility. Unlike larger furniture pieces that require extensive materials, tools, and workspace, smaller projects often demand considerably less investment in terms of both time and resources. Beginners can undertake these projects with basic tools like saws, drills, and sanders, eliminating the need for expensive machinery generally associated with large-scale production. This lower barrier to entry makes woodworking more approachable for those who may be hesitant to invest heavily before mastering their skills. Hello there again. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small and medium woodworking projects ideas for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Additionally, the reduced cost of materials associated with smaller projects means that artisans can experiment and innovate without incurring substantial financial risk. When creating items that require less wood, artisans can utilize offcuts or reclaimed wood, which can be found at low cost or even for free. This allows beginners to practice their techniques and develop their craftsmanship without the anxiety of wasting expensive materials. The flexibility to use various types of wood broadens the scope of creativity and fosters a willingness to try new designs and techniques, ultimately enhancing skills in a more forgiving manner. Another significant advantage of focusing on small and medium projects is the relatively quick turnaround time from concept to completion. Unlike larger woodworking endeavors that can take weeks or months to finish, smaller projects can often be completed in a matter of hours or days. This rapid production cycle not only keeps woodworkers engaged and motivated, but also enables them to bring their creations to market faster. The ability to produce finished products quickly ensures a consistent cash flow, allowing artisans to reinvest in new projects or materials. By generating income more swiftly, woodworkers can refine their skills while simultaneously managing their business effectively. Market demand for small and medium-sized woodworking items has been steadily increasing in recent years. As consumers gravitate toward handcrafted, unique products, the appeal of these smaller items has grown. Items that serve practical purposes, such as home decor, functional storage solutions, or gifts, tend to resonate well with buyers looking for quality and individuality. This trend has opened numerous avenues for artisans, allowing them to carve out niche markets that appreciate craftsmanship and attention to detail. Unlike larger projects that often require considerable investment from buyers, smaller woodworking items tend to be more budget-friendly, making them accessible to a broader range of consumers. The aspect of personalization is another advantage, particularly when it comes to small and medium woodworking projects. Customers increasingly seek products that reflect their personal tastes or make meaningful gifts for loved ones. The opportunity for customization allows woodworkers to engage directly with their clients, creating tailored pieces that resonate on a personal level. This connection not only enhances the artisan's reputation, but also fosters customer loyalty. Satisfied customers may return for future projects or recommend the artisan to others, creating a network of repeat business. This word-of-mouth marketing is invaluable, especially in the realm of handcrafted goods, where personal recommendations can significantly influence purchasing decisions. In terms of pricing, small and medium woodworking projects generally enjoy higher profit margins compared to larger items. Although the overall sale price may be lower, the lower cost of materials and quicker production times can lead to a favorable cost-to-profit ratio. Artisans can achieve viable pricing strategies while meeting market expectations for affordability. For instance, a well-crafted decorative piece or a small functional item can yield a substantial profit in relation to the initial investment, often making small woodworking projects a highly effective way to build a stable income. The versatility of small and medium projects contributes to their profitability. These items can be designed for various markets and functions, ranging from home decor to practical organizational tools. The potential to create a range of products allows woodworkers to diversify their offerings, mitigating risks associated with market fluctuations. If one product category experiences a downturn in demand, artisans can quickly shift their focus to another area without the extensive resource investment that larger projects would require. This adaptability equips artisans to respond to changing consumer preferences and market trends, fostering resilience in their business. Moreover, the emotional and psychological benefits associated with producing small and medium woodworking projects should not be underestimated. Crafting items that bring joy to others can be tremendously rewarding, generating a sense of fulfillment that extends beyond financial gain. The act of creating provides a therapeutic outlet, allowing artisans to channel their energies into productive endeavors. Successful completion of a project, particularly one that resonates with customers, can foster confidence and ignite passion for the craft. This fulfillment can lead to greater commitment to the woodworking business, as artisans find joy in their work and experience personal growth along the way. In addition to emotional benefits, producing small and medium projects often becomes a creative exploration for artisans. Working on these sizes allows for experimentation with different techniques, finishes, and designs, enabling woodworkers to expand their skill sets. The freedom to explore unique ideas can result in innovative products that stand out in a crowded market. Artisans can test their creativity on a smaller scale, incorporating new trends or materials before committing to larger projects. This practice cultivates an environment of continuous learning and growth, essential for long-term success in any creative endeavor. Networking opportunities are also more accessible with small and medium woodworking projects. Artisans can market their creations through local craft fairs, farmers markets, or online platforms, engaging with potential customers directly. These venues can provide valuable feedback, allowing woodworkers to refine their products and better understand consumer preferences. Local networking can also lead to collaborations with other artists, businesses, or organizations interested in promoting and selling handcrafted goods. These connections can enhance exposure and lead to new opportunities. Another key advantage of focusing on smaller woodworking projects is the potential for seasonal profit maximization. Small projects, especially those that can serve as gifts, tend to see spikes in demand during holidays or special occasions. Artisans can capitalize on these times by producing an array of gift-oriented items that cater to the celebratory spirit of consumers. This strategy allows woodworkers to leverage peak seasons, significantly boosting profitability while maintaining their craftsmanship and creativity. Inventory management is also simplified when dealing with smaller projects. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked small and medium woodworking projects ideas for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, Stay safe and stay blessed.